gonna go ahead and find out. Okay. Ooh, it's really heavy. Like really heavy. Oh my god! Tissue paper. Oh, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name's Carmen. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays about fashion and lifestyle blogging. So if you guys are interested in that, please consider subscribing. So today's video is really exciting. I have these two big bags from Rebag. So they had a 15% off sale over the Labor Day weekend. So I went ahead and picked up two bags, one of which I've been wanting for a long time, but it's pretty expensive. And ironically, I've like never gone in the store to try it on. So really this is like a shot in the dark for me. But I think it was a good deal, so that's why they're here in my possession now. So I'm gonna unbox them and talk you guys through everything. I did decide to sell one of my bags, which I did vlog a little of going in, so I'll probably include it now. Hello, so I'm in Soho now. I have my two bags that I'm going to sell to Rebag, so I thought I would vlog it. This Dior vintage one, she's getting upgraded, and then it is this Chanel, sorry, we're on like cobblestone. It's this Chanel one. Looks like this. It's the little BB. I've had it for like 3 years and I just haven't worn it, so this one's also getting upgraded, so I'm gonna go turn it in to Rebag. We're here. Wow. Okay, so probably saw the vlog. It was really cool to go in the Rebag store and they had such an amazing selection, but obviously I had my eyes on these, so I got my box cutter. I don't exactly know which one is which. I probably can look it up, but I'm kind of lazy. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and find out. They came in yesterday, so this took a lot of willpower not to just unbox it. But yeah, basically I ended up selling my Chanel Patent Mini. I bought it in 2018 and I just haven't been wearing it. And Rebag quoted me a good price on it. I know 3 years ago I got a good price on it, so obviously I was hoping to sell it for more than what I bought it for, because you know Chanel prices go up like crazy. Wow. So you can choose to open this upside down. Actually, let me just open this. Wow. Okay, we're just gonna flip it over. So let me maybe put this on the ground. I think we got the effect, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's some wrapping paper and a Rebag dust bag, and that's about it. So based on the size and the feel of it, I know what it is. Okay. Ooh, it's really heavy. Like really heavy. Oh my god! Okay, you guys ready? Oh my god, it is in such good condition. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so I do see a little nick here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a little nick on the D, but it's fine. I got it for a good price. Wow. Okay, we're gonna open the little plastic now. Wow. Okay, so this is the price. Wait here. So this is the price from Rebag that they were selling this for. So I got 15% off of this price for this bag. Holy crap. So yeah, the seat is pretty damaged, but the leather is pretty good. Yeah. Whoever owned this really used this well. So I believe this is like the medium size Dior saddle, and I got it in black. So I believe this retails for $3,800 right now. So after the 15% off, it's $2,533. So let's open it up. I've actually never looked at the medium size one in the Dior store, or really anywhere for that matter. Okay, so it comes with a certified, like a Rebag card, which says it's certified by Rebag. So yeah, I don't know if Dior comes with any card. Wow, the inside is really nice. It's like a really nice suede. That's so funny. The inside is like really nice quality, but the outside is not. I don't know if there's really anything to do to fix this or polish this. Yeah, she's really pretty. I think I'm gonna keep her. Let's try her on. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna look in the mirror really quick. So cute. I think it fits my body frame pretty well. I think if it were any bigger, it wouldn't look right on me, or I wouldn't like it if it were any bigger. But the biggest pain point on this bag is that there is a little bit of lifting on the glazing. Yeah, so the glazing has lifted. This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy, let me tell ya. Like, you girls who are carrying this around with stuff in it are very strong, because this bag is very heavy. I do want to say that both of the bags I got were marked as like the poorest condition by Rebag. But overall, I believe like it's acceptable to be sold. And I would agree, like this is probably like the poorest quality that like a store like Rebag should be selling. Because anything worse than this would be like pretty bad. Or at least like for their brand or whatever. But I really like it. Just to go over it again, the gold pieces do show a lot of signs of wear. They're really scratched, and some points are not even gold anymore, but I think from far away you really cannot tell. And then there is the lifting on the glazing. I am going to take it into Dior and ask them if there's like anything I can do to like fix this up a little bit when I get around to it. Definitely going to keep this one because I do think I got a good deal on it. Let's do some math. So comparing to the retail price, I got 33% off of the retail price. I think that's pretty good. And the reason why I'm okay with buying like used and even like things that have signs of wear is that like I'm gonna use it anyway and I'm gonna love it. And if I can get a better price on it, I'm okay with it. And yeah, overall it's okay. Things are meant to be used. So yeah, I really love it. I'm really impressed with the inside of it. It's nearly just as new, and I did write that there was a scent on it, but I don't smell anything that bothers me, so that's really great. Okay, so let's clean it up, and it's time to open the other one. Okay. Okay, so going back to Chanel, I did end up selling one of my Chanel bags. Not that I need anyone's opinion, but I think my friends were okay with me selling it. Like, they agreed because I'm not wearing it. But my boyfriend was really against it because he likes Chanel and he thinks I should keep all of my Chanel pieces. But I'm more so a person that's like, if I'm not using it, I think it should go. Let me know how you guys are, but this piece is a Chanel piece, and I had no idea this one existed, but I saw it on the website. It was more expensive than the Dior bag, and like it's kind of crazy because like I wanted the Dior bag and I bought something more expensive than the Dior bag. I didn't even know that I needed it or wanted it. I think it's because, actually, let's just open it and then I'll tell you some more. Okay. So this one's definitely lighter than the Dior. Okay, so again, the bubble wrap, and then the tissue paper. Oh, and here it is. It doesn't come with a dust bag. Weird. Wow, it's really cute. Okay, there's no surprise because there's no dust bag, but I got a Chanel French Riviera medium flap. I think that's what it's called. And like I was saying before, I think it's priced higher because it's black and it's caviar leather. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so cute. Wow. So I did look up the serial number, and I think this bag came out 2011. So she's a little bit old. She's an oldie. And let me show you guys the price. Oh, there's no price on this one. Weird. Well, let me look it up. She's top heavy. Okay. Okay, let me look it up really quick. So this bag from Rebag was selling for $3,415, and again, I got 15% off of the website. I do want to shout out Alyssa Lenore if you guys watch her. I love her, and I was actually watching her Kelly unboxing where she shared that she got 15% off of it. So ever since her video, I was kind of like waiting for the next time. So shout out to Alyssa. But yeah, so I think because after the discount it was under $3,000 is why I got this one, and it's a caviar piece, so I think it was a really good price. I do notice that it has like stickers. Okay, wow, that's crazy. They never took off the protective stickers on this. So here's a sticker that I see. I just thought I would peel it off with you guys. But yeah, it's totally a sticker, which is crazy. Wow. So much better now. Wow. It looks so much newer. Yeah. I can't believe they kept it on. There is a random white mark here on the graining. I don't even know if you guys could tell. But yeah, it doesn't bother me. I think I got a great deal on this considering how much like classic medium flaps go for. Personally, I think because I already own like a classic mini, I don't really find myself wearing it just because it's so dressy. And then the mini is also so tiny. So I was looking for a more casual Chanel bag, and this definitely meets everything that I was looking for. Yeah, I'm so glad I can share this with you guys and talk to you guys about this because I love stuff like this and I know you guys do. So I wanted something more relaxed but still very Chanel. So yeah, I love it. And it's black and caviar. It has a little pocket in the front and then a main pocket. And luckily it comes with the authenticity card. Let's check if it matches the inside. Okay, numbers match. So that's really awesome. So Rebag also gave their authenticity card. So that's cute. And then they have the little matching serial number on it. So that's really cool. So cute. Let's try it on. Ah! It's so cute. I wanted it to wear it like this, but I also like that I have the option to wear it like this, like where it's a little bit longer. So I love it. I think just because I have so many mini bags, I wanted like a bigger bag. And yeah, it definitely doesn't seem like it's 10 years old. Maybe. And yeah, this one does have a little bit more of like the closet smell. So I might try to like put something in it to make it smell better. Overall, I think it's fine. I think I'm going to go ahead and clean both of them with like the Cadillac lotion and stuff like that. I do wish this one came with like a Rebag dust bag. But yeah, the little buckles are really cute. They say 31 Cambon, Paris. Maybe that's like their store. Really cute. They do have little stickers on them, which I'm like really excited to pull off. And then the CC in the front does have like little nicks and stuff. I think I'm gonna try to figure out if the specific looks and outfits that I wanted to put together look good with this, because this one is a little bit more expensive. But I think I am leaning to keeping this one. The smell, again, it's like a old closet smell, but again, she's like 10 years old, so you know, you can't blame her. So yeah, that's this one. But yeah, these are them. Really excited to have these. I guess I'm not a mini bag connoisseur anymore because these are both like medium bags, but I'm really happy with them. I guess I just want some more storage. But yeah, they're really cute. I think they're classics, and I think they really represent the brand. Like this is a classic for Dior, and this is like a classic for Chanel. I know it's not a classic flap, but it's a flap. That's what I mean. Like Chanel is known for making flaps. They're really cute. Please welcome them to my home. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about selling to Rebag and stuff like that, definitely let me know down below. I can share my experience if you guys want me to. I don't think I can like keep this one up. Yeah, maybe I'll get a bag holder if when I move. Really excited. If I move, I'll definitely get a bag holder if I have the space. And let me tell you guys overall how much it ended up being. So again, this one was like $25.33, and then this one was $29.03. I did get credited for selling my Chanel Mini in patent leather, and I was credited $2,970. So they took that off of my balance, and I ended up paying total $2,685. So yeah, that's both of them. Again, this one retails for like $3,800, and I'm sure like a Chanel medium today would retail for a lot. So that's them. Again, obviously they're not in the same condition as something new, but again, I told you the reasons why I'm okay with it. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.